Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche tart. First, gather your ingredients like eggs, cream, and your favorite fillings such as cheese, ham, or vegetables. Next, prepare your pie crust. You can make it from scratch or use a ready-made one for a quicker process. Remember to blind bake the crust before adding the filling to ensure a perfectly crisp base. This step is crucial for a delicious quiche. Now let's create that rich, creamy filling. In a bowl, whisk together your eggs and cream, then season generously with salt, pepper, and any other herbs you enjoy. Next, arrange your prepared fillings like cooked bacon, spinach, or cheddar cheese evenly across the bottom of your blind-baked crust. Finally, carefully pour the egg and cream mixture over the fillings, ensuring everything is well distributed for a balanced bite. With your quiche assembled, it's time for baking. Place it in a preheated oven at a moderate temperature, typically around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake until the center is set and the top is beautifully golden brown. You can test for doneness by gently inserting a knife into the center. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Let it cool completely before slicing to ensure it holds its shape perfectly. Once cooled, your homemade quiche tart is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it warm or at room temperature, making it versatile for any meal, from breakfast to dinner. It pairs wonderfully with a simple green salad, creating a light yet satisfying meal. This easy guide helps you create a fantastic quiche every time. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.